What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. I am out here at this old bluff cemetery. It's built in 1758. Me and my friends used to come out of here at night. It's an old Civil War battlefield out that way. And this cemetery's gotten a whole lot bigger since we used to come out here. And over there's a spring that goes down to the Cape Fear River. It's an underground spring. But I wanted to talk to you guys. I had a subscriber ask me, can a dealership turn me away for warranty work if I didn't get my vehicle serviced there? The short answer is no. They can't. You do not have to get your vehicle serviced at the dealership to keep your warranty valid. Now, law prohibits manufacturers or automakers and dealerships from pushing you away and voiding your warranty if you get it serviced somewhere else. You don't have to get an oil change, tire rotation at the dealership to keep your warranty. It just doesn't work that way. If you do go somewhere else to get it done, I'm going to recommend that you get receipts from everything that you do. You do oil change or tire rotation, how many quarts of oil that they put into it, because if something was to happen, say they forgot to put oil in it and they blew your engine up pulling it off the rack, warranty's probably not going to cover that anyway. That's going to be between you and the shop. But if something was to happen to your engine, you had an internal engine failure, but you got all your records kept up, and it wasn't anything that another shop did, then it should still be covered under warranty, because you have all of your documentation from where you've had it serviced every 5,000 miles. You had your oil and filter changed, you had your tires rotated, and that just kind of covers you, cross your T's, dot your lowercase j's, and that covers you in the event if a failure did happen. Then they won't void your warranty, because if you don't have any documentation or anything like that, you're pretty much going up against a manufacturer, and they're going to void that warranty if you don't have documentation, because they're going to come back and say, well, he didn't do his services like he was supposed to, and yeah, we're not going to cover it. It's a failure due to neglect, and it's basically on you. But a short answer is no. Law prohibits them from making you go back to them to keep it in warranty. So with that being said, I hope that answers your question. So just if you're going to go somewhere else, you can go to any independent shop, a mobile mechanic, anybody like that. Get receipts. Have it itemized. Oil change, this much labor. Oil, this much, what weight. Filter, this one, how much. Everything. Have it all itemized. Keep all those receipts. Doesn't matter how long. At least for the lifetime of your warranty, even if you have an extended warranty. Keep that. That way, if something does happen, and it's not the mechanic's fault where you got it done, you have all that documentation, and it's just going to cover your butt. I hope that answers your question. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.